Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Gemini AI to SwiftUI. First, go to Google AI Studio and create a new API key. Then, copy the API key and save it securely because you will use it inside your app. Next, open Xcode and create a new project. Choose iOS app as the template. Select SwiftUI as the interface and make sure the deployment target is iOS 15 or higher. Now, create a new Swift file called geminiservice.swift. Inside this file, add a function that uses URL session to send a post request to the Gemini API. Pass the user's prompt in JSON format within the request body. Make sure you include your API key inside the request URL. Then, receive and decode the AI response properly so it can't be used inside your app. After that, open content-view.swift. Create add state variables for the user input and the AI response. Add a text field where the user can't enter a prompt. Then, add a button that calls the Gemini function when tapped. Display the AI response inside the scroll view so longer responses can be viewed properly. When the button is tapped, call the API and update response variable with the returned data. Use dispatch-queue.main.async to update the user interface safely after receiving the response. Add basic error handling to check whether a valid response exists before displaying it. You can also optionally add a loading indicator while waiting for the API response. Finally, run the API on the simulator or on a real device. Enter a prompt, tap the button, and the Gemini response will appear directly inside your app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.